look at that cafe, it's beautiful actually. Okay, I'm loving the vibe here already. This is the table here. I'm loving the vibes actually. Really love the vibes and the sound. It may not be a good place to sit down inside if you want to talk, but you can go always or go outside. This is the menu. Order chocolate. It's a bit too late and I still want to sleep tonight. So here's outside, very quiet. I think I'll just sit here to do my closing, video closing. My hot chocolate is here. Look at the beautiful art. All for something without caffeine. It's already 8 PM and I want to go back, but I look at the jam, I gave up. So I'm just going to stay here maybe till 9. But in the meantime, I can just do some work. Okay, thick, creamy. It definitely doesn't taste like Milo. I'm not gonna pay like atas price for Milo. But it's good, refreshing.